Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn how to draw the histological structure of seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicles are also called seminal glands. They are paired elongated structures. You can see here paired elongated structures enclosed by a connective tissue capsule lying on the posterior surface of the urinary bladder. So you can see paired structures covered by connective tissue capsule lying on the posterior surface of urinary bladder. The short duct of seminal vesicle joins the ampulla of the vas deferens. So here the vas deferens is coming, and this is the ampulla, and this is the short duct of the seminal vesicle joining it, and to form the ejaculatory ducts. So these are the ejaculatory ducts which are opening up into the prostatic urethra. In the histological section of the seminal vesicle, the convoluted tubule of the seminal vesicle is seen to be cut in different orientations, and the wall of each seminal vesicle is seen to be composed of three layers: mucosa, muscularis externa, and adventitia. The mucosa of the seminal vesicle is thrown into complicated folds. You can see here they are thrown into complicated folds. The primary fold of mucosa branch into secondary and then tertiary folds that project far into the lumen and fuse with each other frequently. These elaborate mucosal folds tremendously increases the secretory surface area of the gland. In sections, the lumen appear as irregular space between the extensive mucosal folds. The lining epithelium is of pseudo-stratified columnar variety. Beneath the epithelium is present lamina propria of loose vascular connective tissue which is rich in elastic fibers. Now, the pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium of seminal vesicle consists of principal cells and basal cells. And these principal cells have the property of protein secreting cells, and they secrete various enzymes. The muscularis of seminal vesicle, it consists of inner circular layer. You can see the inner circular layer and an outer layer of longitudinal layer of smooth muscles. Then adventitia. The contraction of seminal vesicle by these smooth muscles forces the seminal vesicles to empty during ejaculation. Now, adventitia consists of thin layer of fibroelastic connective tissue. Now we start the diagram, and first of all we make the limit of the this lamina propria. We will start from the muscularis externa layer. Okay, just try to make smaller diagrams so that you can make them easily in the exams. Okay, I have made the inner circular layer. Okay, so above this inner circular layer, now I will make the mucosa. First of all, the folds of mucosa these folds are combining with each other to form the tertiary and the secondary and tertiary mucosal folds to increase the surface area. Okay, so now we will draw the lamina propria. lamina propria. So we will draw the nuclei in the lamina propria. Okay, now we will draw the nuclei of the pseudostratified epithelium. So now we will make the muscularis externa layer, and in this we will first of all make the inner circular layer. So in order to draw inner circular layer, just make lines, draw lines, not like parallel. Inner layer. Now we will finish the inner circular and outer longitudinal layer, drawing the nuclei. So this is how you will make the inner circular layer and the outer longitudinal layer with the nuclei, and then we will finish the adventitia. And in adventitia we have the connective tissue, blood vessels, the nuclei in the blood vessels, and the nuclei of fibroblasts. So this is how you will draw the histological section of the seminal vesicle. You can see here the mucosa up till here, then the muscularis externa, inner circular and outer longitudinal layer, and then the serosa.